Here I've got OnePlus 8 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts, select more icon and go to the settings. Now you should select blocking settings, and by tapping on block numbers you can add a number by choosing plus and then enter the number. Click on block and that's it. From now on you will not receive any call or message from this number. If you'd like to remove this number from your blacklist, just click on the cross icon and it's no longer here, so sure he will be able to reach you. Then let's go back. You can also block by keyword. If you click here and add some word, for example, I don't know, it can be hard reset, then tap on OK. So you will not receive any messages with this word or even a similar word. So this is it. They will all be blocked. Then obviously you can change it the same way smoothly by tapping on cross. It has been removed from the list and now you will receive all messages. So this is it. This is how you can easily block number, block message by some keyword, but also if you have some contacts. So let me add some contact to my phone list because I do not have it now. Let me name it Tom. And if you would like to block Tom, the contact from your list, just open it, tap here on more icon and select the block number. Confirm that you would like to do it and you will not receive phones or messages from Tom. Then to remove Tom from your blacklist, tap on more icon one more time and click on unblock. And that's it. This is how you can block a number and also unblock some caller in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.